So many of you have been asking me why I started with the Launchpad and not the $900 program. And here's why. Each and every one of us have a different goal. Each and every one of us have a different ability as to financially what it is that we can earn and what it is financially that we can afford to start our business. The thing about starting with a Launchpad is that it is a small package and it only gives you one stream of income. It allowed me to start and to learn the digital marketing strategies that were given to me within the program in itself. The Launchpad taught me exactly how to start and launch a business and how to go from launch to profit within 7 days. This is the $100 program that already taught me those two very important things. It also taught me how to fully automate my business and gave me a 30-day plan or strategy on what I need to do for 30 days in order to grow my email list, my following, and also to grow my income. Now, this is only with the Launchpad, and this to me showed me that okay, I wasn't sure, I was a complete beginner, and I wanted to make money, but I first wanted to make sure that I can grasp the concept, and that's exactly what I was able to do by starting with the Launchpad. And this is why till today I am still promoting the Launchpad, because of the fact that there are many people that want to start in the digital marketing space. And yes, all too well, the $900 program is an amazing program which is packed with amazing information. However, if your pocket does not allow it, do not go and lend. Do not sell things. Start exactly where you are at. And if where you at is nowhere, get the information. Ask the questions until you have the ability to start with your Launchpad, which is $100 program which you pay once off. Then you just pay your website fee, you pay you get your email, and you pay for your setup. These are all once off. These are investments into your business, and once you make at least say 2 sales, one sale to get your $100 back and your other sale to cover your expenses for the full on setup, you are in profit mode. Keep in mind, once you purchase, the business is 100% entirely yours. It is registered to you and it will be branded by you. You will be taught. There are webinars, there are tech calls, there are so many people within this community that is willing to coach and to teach you and to take you along the way to success. So don't think that you need to start with the highest program to be successful, because many people have done it and without putting in the work, the success did not come. So if you are somebody that is curious about the next steps about your digital marketing journey, and if you want to start with the Launchpad, go to the link in my bio, click on the links pad, put in your email, get an email from me. You can directly contact me or you can purchase the program through it as well. Have a good day.